All right, show me how to drive. What do you do? That's it? Just turn the steering wheel? How do you race? You don't know? Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. Now it is an absolutely gorgeous day out, and so what we're going to do is head out to a meet that happens every Sunday. It's at the Oceanside train station, and I hear a lot of really nice cars end up showing up. Now when I'm not doing anything with the Charger, I like to highlight other rides. I don't like to, you know, go up to Pep Boys and create nonsensical content for the Charger. One of the things that I always wanted for this channel is to showcase other really cool builds that are happening. So regardless of what trim level it is, it doesn't really matter. I think it's more interesting content than me just always trying to develop something for the Charger. So really guys, shoot me an email or a message on Instagram. I try my best to get back to everybody, but yeah. So you know what, let's get going guys. Is this yours? What did it start off as a 392 SRT?
Started off with a 6.1.
Nice, and then you bored and stroked it to a 426. Who made this intake? Cervini made the intake, and then you went with a Magnuson underneath it.
Right. So we had a hollow out inside of the body of the shaker and the Magnuson fly in.
That's so cool. So guys, I know you're not gonna be able to hear it, but this is started off as a 6.1. He bored and stroked it to a 426, put a forced air cam in there, then had a custom Cervini shaker hood and a Magnuson sitting underneath it. That is wild. And this is a 2010, you said, right? SRT? Making 660 and what? How much to the
694 pounds of torque.
690 pound-feet of torque. That's just, this is one of the coolest builds I've seen.
It's actually in Mopar Muscle magazine.
Really?
Yeah. In October's issue.
Damn, man. You did a really good job with this.
We did the interior, everything is out of the car. Custom steering wheel, all carbon fiber. Suspension.
And he said that he's he lines up against Hellcats and does pretty damn good. Takes them down, right? Worth every penny, right? Thank you.
What a Hellcat.
But you just said no, I want something more unique, right?
I bought the car, was 50, brand new. I got probably 50 into it, maybe more.
Is this like a front end conversion or
Hellcat front end.
Hellcat front end? Okay. Did you do the back conversion? I didn't even take it. I didn't even see.
My wife is in the car, so I gotta get her permission first.
Okay.
She doesn't like those taillights.
She doesn't like the new tail lights, huh?
She's actually done
Okay.
everything to this car.
All right. I like it with it the tint like that.
That's great. There's no stickers on, so everything's painted. Stripes are painted.
Everything's painted?
Everything's
Okay.
painted.
That is cold.